Welcome back everybody, and today I was given or lent this PINTU mini sealing machine. Of course it is made in China, means that it works as a sealing device to seal plastic bags. If you put your product inside of some plastic bag and then you just seal it, and then it's going to create an airtight seal. So let's open it up. Okay, that's the item there. It also comes with a manual book, which of course comes in Chinese. Oh, it also comes in English. Okay, but basically that is how you use it. You use the USB Type-C to charge it up, and then you just have this just switch these switches from off to on to activate it, and off you go. As simple as that. They also provides this USB Type-C cable to charge, but it doesn't come with a charger, adapter charger I mean. Anyway, of course it is made out of plastic, and seems like a good quality plastic, thick enough to withstand some slight or light drops, or when you drop it into the floor. I think it could last the drop without damaging it. And here is the off-on switch, and here is the charging port where you can plug in the USB Type-C, and off you go with your charging. Alright, so when you turn it on, it gives up this blue LED light showing that it is functioning. So what you do is, you see these 2 points here, those are the heating elements that will seal any plastics that came in contact with it. And for this review, I'm going to use this plastic bag where I've received this Zeus keychain. It's a rare product that I got from the Zeus signature during my recent trip during their opening. So what I do is, I'm going to open it up using these scissors here, and of course with the first cut, the air already escaped, right? So the air from the factory inside the bag is already escaped, and if you wishes to seal it up in case you refill it with food or snacks, especially like chips and crackers, what you do is you just press this part down here, right at the edge of the bag here, and then you pull it, maybe, oops, alright, maybe you have to protrude it to the other side a little bit, like so. Okay, press it down like that, and then you pull. Oops, it melts it, but I guess I need some practice. Maybe I shouldn't press it down too hard. Just a slight press that allows me to pull the bag from the other side, like so. No, it doesn't seal it. Probably I have to press it down a little bit harder, and then pull. Okay, there you go. Oh, oops, it only sticks the plastic to the heating element, that's all. But it is not. Oh, it does. Look at that. It seals it. It does, but I need more practice on this to get a better result, because as I've mentioned just now, this is a rare product from Zeus signature, so I want it to be properly kept, because I want to preserve this like a treasure. So press it down like that, and then pull it straight. Make sure it's straight. Oh, my hand is not steady enough. Okay, all right. Maybe I should put it further down, further in, right? Further in now. Go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I've pressed too much on it. So, rule of thumb, you need to practice using it before you do it on the actual plastic bag itself. So you see my plastic bag is getting smaller, and I just have enough room for the keychain to sit inside. So alright, now maybe I should pull it faster. It does seals it. It does. Just that I need more practice. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. So basically the product works. It's just that we need more practice on using it. Alright, let's pull it like so. Come on, baby. Well, no. Well, I guess the plastic is gonna go smaller and smaller. Maybe I will do it another time, and then I'll call it a day, huh? Okay, here I go. 1, 2, go. Alright, slide. The slide. Don't press it too much, Leo. Alright, there you go. You can see here it seals from here to here, but I still have some holes on this right side and left side. Yep, it's me to be blamed, but the product works. Haha. Yeah, there it is, the PINTU mini sealing machine. Yeah, funny as it is, PINTU in Malay means the door. Well, I guess this is the door here. Don't forget to switch it off when it is not in use, so that the battery could last you for more. What's that warning? Maybe you can zoom in and use the Google Lens to translate that. Okay, right guys, thank you for joining me on this review on another tech gadget. And I will see you in the next video. Take care and have a nice life.